local area emergency has been declared in San Jacinto County. The following message is transmitted due to request of the San Jacinto County Sheriff's Office. The San Jacinto County Sheriff's Office has declared a local area emergency due to a chemical spill at Route 59 in Shepherd. A commercial truck carrying hazardous materials had overturned on Route 59. Residents in Shepherd and southeast San Jacinto County are now being advised to turn off all air conditioning/heating systems. A toxic plume from the crash is moving southwest. All residents are advised to seek shelter. Windows and EAS must be closed. If you are ordered by local officials to evacuate, use State Highway 150 west toward Cold Spring to avoid the plume. Do not attempt to travel on US 59 near Shepherd. Repeating, a local area emergency has been declared for San Jacinto County.